my kids are gonna do a pack battle. They just brought in some parts, and they both got a box. One kid got this, and the other kid got this. Okay, cool. Come on over here. Here they go.
Come over here.
I think Evolution's pack.
I'll check the MC.
Come over here, Colton.
Oh, okay. That thing costs $35.
Really?
Come over here, Colton. Come over here.
Here, I just want to get my stuff.
Rock the facts. Dude, that card, we're about to go get graded. It's going to be awesome.
Never heard.
So these are the ones that pick 4. Alright, you got
Okay, I
4
only got
packs?
4.
Yeah.
Come over here, Colton. Okay.
Come on, Colton. Alright, can I see the ones you get?
You only get 4 packs? Well,
Yeah, but
they're
that promo card.
expensive. I got lucky that I got that.
This one's $35. And
What
that
is?
promo card, if we get it.
What is 35?
The evolutions, yeah.
Evolution's small.
What?
Evolution's small. That's unidentified lines.
Alright, ready?
Yep. See him. Okay. What is the action?
4.
No, not this.
Here, sweet
That's
down.
what's the new ones. The new ones are 18.
That's not new.
Okay.
Oh.
Where is it? 1. Okay, I'm just gonna do 1. You just go until you see an energy. Yep,
Why don't you
you're
show
right.
them on the camera?
Okay, so fighting energy.
Oh, we got 2
fighting,
minutes.
and then what is this one? Double Keyblade,
I got
a Rangaroo, Urantis, Sneasel, Bounce Sweet,
What's going on, sir?
Come look at this easy.
It's just
Voltic,
essentially for our text guy. We did
Riolu,
So pretty much all matter. Just fill out your name, your individual.
Liquid Release or something. Oh, I didn't get anything on that one. That's okay though.
You got that
I like
Show me
these
the promo
cards.
card. Show me the promo card.
Alright.
Oh, I don't think that's not Riolu's.
Show me the card.
$70. Should we see?
Oh, that's a promo card. That's a guarantee hit. Because, yeah, look, this one's so new.
Oh, wait for me on this one.
I have everything. I double track before I left. Alright. 17. I think some are south. The new ones are 17.
Oh, no. Steel.
They've got.
Ooh, I like that
Akron is so
one.
big that it's very easy. I feel like it's a card shop too.
I got
Finding
another
the Air
team,
Slash.
yeah.
Lizard Town.
A Lowland Dicket.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, that's
Why not? Aeroblast.
Another pack.
Fletchling. Honedge.
Look at that.
Ooh. Lurantis, yes. Pikachu.
Look what I got.
Salazzle.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, I didn't get anything. And Lifer. Okay. Nothing on that one. Okay. Identified mines are not doing it. Ooh, Lost Thunder. Sun Moon back.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Will you go Sun Moon pack?
You're winning 1-0. I can't. I'm saving the evolutions back. You're winning 1-0.
Is that a good one? The one you got this.
And 20.
Oh, yeah, that's.
60.
Oh,
Is
dang
black
it.
good or not good?
Black's good one.
I don't know. I don't think it means anything in the older sets.
In the older sets, it's the stuff that means something. They made it so it's white and blue.
Oh, white is better.
white
Leaf
is
Energy.
not. Oh, I got
That's
a
it.
fairy energy.
Bailey. Dedenne. Yamask. Jigglypuff. Marie.
Cosmo.
Roland Vulpix. Houndour. Miltank. Nothing. Hollow.
Oh, okay. Evolution. Did you get something really good now?
Oh, I don't know what's good in evolutions.
You get a lot of
So
good.
far, I've literally gotten nothing.
You can get that card. I got one really card one. There's that one. Where's the card now?
I just got matched up. Oh my gosh, this is like older.
I mean,
I like it so far.
Evolutions. Look
There's
at
no Sword and Shield base.
Why are they old?
They're way
oh my
older.
goodness. like first edition cards. They look like that. Dragonair, that's better than Platini. Alolan Meowth, Sandile. Cheesy. Is that a good one? That's not a good one? Alright, I'll put all my...
Okay, Magikarp. We're not supposed to do this, by the way.
What?
We're not supposed to. Electabuzz, Raudata, or whatever. Growlithe, Adorno, Weedle. Oh, wait, don't I need to do...
Yeah, you forgot to do the trick.
Wait, no.
Just keep doing them.
Trainer, Haunter, Rock, Script, Weedle, Beedrill. Is that good?
I have no idea. But you made your money back. With that one promo card.
I did like 70 bucks.
Graded, man, graded.
How much is it going to cost graded?
A lot more. 20 to grade it.
20 to grade it, that's gonna cost.
What'd you say?
I don't know.
I was asking if I have 20 bucks
For what?
to grade it.
Oh man, I answered. Oh, wait, I didn't do it. Yes. I forgot to do the card trick, so I didn't see the big. It's a tiny roll.
What? Did you do it wrong? Oh, I think that one fell out.
No, this is one that's tiny.
Can I open one? Okay. Super large one.
I am. So, look, 1, 2, 3. Me.
Does that person have a preferred form?
4.
Or is it really just whatever?
Open 5 back.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, right
Casual format is mandatory. Which is, did you ever play it?
This one.
Okay, so
Close your eyes.
100 cards, no different.
I'll put one in your hand. I'll put mine in
No,
your
let me pick
You have a
one.
card, and you have a one commander card that essentially the commander card is gonna
Ready?
identify everything about the deck. You know what I mean? You build your deck around it. So, like in this case,
Alright. First.
the card the
Alright.
top
Please do.
has
Look at the play card. Flip the play card.
No, I'm not
blue,
flipping it.
blue, red, white.
Is that good?
And in that case, the only cards you can put in here
1, 2, 3,
are
4,
cards
or
that are
3,
blue,
yeah.
red, white. Stuff like that. In this case, you're working with energy, you know, so a lot of your
So the
a
top
lot of
card's
your
supposed to
cards
be
are
best?
based around, you
Oh,
know,
the
you
back.
realize your
Thank you.
stuff. In this specific,
Why are you
essentially
doing
the
that?
idea is just, 100 cards, no duplicates, one commander that you
Okay.
build.
Now that the armies are made and you're here, I can ask you.
To play it every.
I got a 10 activation list with Vader and Dark.
Sounds good? So,
Yeah, I just don't know how many single unit Dark is.
Come on, give me
Not
a
actually bad.
Let it
Put it
go.
in play with the like, the green
Machine
Wait, I'm
gun
not
guy.
gonna copy
is like your
Gotcha.
It's something. I got it.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Actually, with wheel and yeah, it's about 5. So you got 3 wasn't enough last time.
Oh, I'm glad I went heavy impact on my
Blue
list.
is your.
Let's That's the nasty thing you were talking about.
Should be fine. Yeah, I had to pay out the third unit of them and stuff like that.
Wow, I gotta rethink what I wanna do for deployment now.
Does everything to everybody all the time. Very sharing.
Oh,
And then you've got black, you know, zombies, undead,
Oh,
bringing
man.
stuff back from the graveyard, stuff like that.
Yeah, well, you still have Darth Vader, so
I do have Vader, I got range troopers, I have 5
So holo is
forms,
better.
and then I have a Keyword.
Wait, what about in here?
Alright.
No promo card in there.